Good evening, everyone. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of SQLite. Today, we will see SQLite databases, and we will see that how to create database and attach as well as detach database with using alias name. So let's start with next slide. Here we have a concept of SQLite create database. So in SQLite, the SQLite 3 command is used to create a new database. And the syntax is as follows: SQLite 3 database name dot db. So here your database name should be unique and within the RDVMS. So the SQLite 3 command, that is the SQLite 3 command is used to create database. But if the database does not exist, then a new database file with the given name will be created automatically. So one thing is clear that whenever we will open that command prompt, we have to first just set that path of SQLite 3, and then we just run this command SQLite 3 database name.db. So this is the way that it will create database of name and that we have given. So how to create database? First open command prompt and set the path as I said you. After that, you can check the SQLite directory by using dir command. So you will have that database name. Here, one minute, just a screen that we have shared. This is that C SQLite 3 over here that we have to first set the path. So C SQLite, and this is that CD. Then after this SQLite 2 spin 32. So first we set the path and then we run this command SQLite 3 test.db. So this is that once it successfully runs, it creates database file of name test. So I'm just sharing the screen and just try to just show you that file. So here we have this path. If you just find, this is that path we have. So here we have C and SQLite folder. Then here we have SQLite tools bin 32 over here. So till this, we have to set this whole path, and this is the path that we have to set once we open the command prompt, and uh, it will be, and then we have to run that command, that SQLite 3 database name.db. So here we have database name is test. So this file has been created successfully. So this is very easy steps to follow when we talk about the concept of creation at the time of database. Now move to the next slide. SQLite attached database. So with help of alias name, why and what is attached database? Suppose we have a condition where we have multiple databases available, and we have to use only one of them at a time. So that is why attached database statement is used, and it facilitates you to select a particular database. And after using this command, all SQLite statements will be executed under the attached database. Syntax for attached database is attach database, then database name. Here in our case, this is test. So test as alias name, anything that you want. And alias name, in our case, that alias name is CSE. So the above syntax will also create a database if the database is not already present. Otherwise, it will only attach a database file name with the logical database alias name. So attached database is crucial when we will have multiple databases, and we have to just select one of them and work as per all the commands that running with respect to that database. So here we use this alias name. Now attached database command, as we have run over here, that SQLite. So here attached database test.db SCSE. So SQLite, now we run this command dot databases. So here it is showing main. You cannot detach this main is always there. And this is the CSE, that's the alias name. And this database is attached with this. So one database can be attached with multiple alias name. So it up to us that which one we have to attach or which one we have to detach. So this is important. Now next command is detach database CSE. So here we may detach that alias name through which that database is attached. So we have to use this detach database and alias name. So once we again try to just display the result dot databases, now here only we have main, in which test.db file is there, which is database file, but CSE is already detached. So this is that it will not just delete or detach all those aliases. It only detach that alias which we have provided here as a name, CSE. So this is the significance of detach that we have covered in this slide. The SQLite detach database statement is used to detach the alias name database from a database connection which was previously attached by using the attach statement. So if the same database file has been attached with multiple aliases, then detach command will disconnect only given name and rest of the attachment will still continue. Main and temp databases cannot be detached. So here is a note that the databases within in-memory or temporary database will be destroyed completely and content will be lost. So here we have syntax of SQLite detached database, and the alias name we are going to detach, which is given initially for the database. So this is the way these three that commands runs. SQLite 3 database name.db, which is for creation of a database, then attach database.db and database name as alias name, and third one is detach database along with as is given is alias name. So here these three important commands that we generally use when we work with a SQLite database and start to working creation of table further and inserting values. So this is that initial that segment of SQLite database. Thank you very much being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get notification of latest uploaded video. Thank you very much being with me in this session. Have a nice day.